In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Smartsheet. Whether you need to have a backup on your computer, share it with someone who doesn't use Smartsheet, or simply want to work offline, downloading a Smartsheet can be incredibly useful. Don't worry if you're new to Smartsheet or haven't done this before. I'll guide you through the process step by step, making it easy to follow and hassle-free. First things first, you'll want to make sure you have the appropriate Smartsheet open. This means navigating to the specific sheet that you wish to download. To do this, you might need to log into your Smartsheet account and browse through your saved sheets until you find the one you're looking for. Take a moment to ensure it's the correct sheet to avoid unnecessary downloads later. Once you've opened your desired sheet, take your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu bar there, and what you're looking for is the File option. Clicking on File will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Can you spot the one that says Export? You'll want to hover your cursor over Export, which will expand another set of choices for you. Now, in this list of export options, you're going to see Export to Microsoft Excel. This is the key option you need, so go ahead and select it. Choosing this option will instruct Smartsheet to start converting your current sheet into an Excel file. It's a seamless process, almost magical in its simplicity, and it typically takes just a few seconds, depending on the size of your sheet. And there you have it. Your Smartsheet will be downloaded as a .xlsx file directly to your computer's default download folder. You can double-check to make sure it's there by navigating to your downloads or by checking the notifications on your browser, which usually prompt you when the download is complete. Now, a quick additional tip. It's always a good practice to open the downloaded file immediately to ensure everything has transferred correctly. Occasionally, some formulas or formatting might not carry over perfectly, depending on how complex your Smartsheet is. By opening the file right away, you can address any discrepancies while they are fresh in your mind. And with that, you've successfully downloaded your Smartsheet as an Excel file. You've now got an offline copy for whatever use you might have, be it sharing, editing, or simply safekeeping. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you enjoyed this guide, feel free to explore more of our content for additional tips and tricks. See you in the next video.